Now is it on?
Yeah. Sup guys, welcome back to another video.
But why do I say like that?
Okay. You have to introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Ezra.
Yeah, he's back, guys. I brought him back into episode.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna be obliterating Iron Man over there.
Like he's
By the way,
worst.
last time I literally ran into his private part.
No.
So this monster has like private parts, and I saw his big butt.
Bro, what?
And then I ran into.
Look, did you see his meaning?
No, I just ran into his balls on accident.
Big guy.
So anyways, okay, so I'm gonna introduce this right now. This is tornado settings. These are, I can make 2 tornadoes, and just comment if you want the tornado, because I have no idea, guys. I'm just filming here. And yeah, subscribe, by the way.
Yeah, subscribe and comment.
Please comment. I put up my comments, so you guys should be able to comment now.
And we just got a booster, like.
Well, yeah, I got this booster for the car, so like when we do these types of videos, because I wanted to make a video on these, like because I see these all the time, it's so satisfying.
Yeah,
But they don't talk. Bro, why do I keep clicking? Okay, so they don't talk, but like they do this, and then they like never make it up with the boosters. But I saw a car booster.
Dude, it's go-kart.
I'm gonna do this. This one is the one that I rammed into.
After this video, can we go out outside? Okay, go slow with the duck truck and hit.
I'm almost done. And then we're gonna do one more person, and then we're gonna meteor strike him, and then make him. Let's see. I might make it. And if you guys don't want the tornado, just comment down below.
Do the dynamite.
Out of all the where it doesn't work. Let me show you. I try this every day. Exactly like that. I can't get it up there. Alright, we're gonna do it actually.
We can nose drift.
Please?
Right there. Wait, you said the video was going to be short.
So this is way too short.
See, go inside.
Actually not. Because I can't hit him. And the viewers want to see me hit him with your best shot.
Hey guys.
I'm gonna go back in 3 seconds. If everybody doesn't subscribe, this will happen to you. Wait, let me find it. This is gonna what's happened to you if you do not subscribe. This is what happens to you if you don't subscribe. I sent some more.
No, do like a lot.
No, because that lags out my game. That was a bad idea. This will happen to you if you don't subscribe in the next 3 seconds.
3.
Oh, wait, hold up. Let me get it back. This is exactly what's gonna happen to you if you do not subscribe and like right now.
Same as his door.
What?
My butt.
No, don't do that. really used to this. Ezra is not. Now that that's over. By the way, I want to show you my body.
How did you do that?
See?
How do you do that?
Do what?
Like, show your body.
Just click C and then third person.
Like, how did you, like, get it to show your body?
I was just playing one day and I switched my character. Okay. You want to end the video there, or you want to do another one?
End the video there.
We're gonna do one.
Well,
That was kind of short.
it's not gonna be that.
We're gonna do
like
Huggy Wuggy.
Huh?
We'll do Huggy Wuggy.
That's the one. Which map? Oh.
That's a freaky Huggy Wuggy, bro. I don't know what the heck. So I was just doing Cars versus Siren Head. Right when I do that, Siren Head doesn't pop up.
Okay, is it?
Yeah, we'll do a different one. We'll do a different one.
Why?
Because that is way too easy to destroy. His head almost. Okay, let's do Goku.
Oh,
That is actually beautiful. I cannot destroy that. But
that is realistic.
that's absolutely beautiful.
Look how realistic that is.
I don't want to destroy him here. I want to see it has. Oops.
How do you keep that in the fly?
Hover. It's H to hover. I can change the hovering thing. Like if I click G, hold down G, I can switch the hover.
What is white mean?
What?
What does white mean?
Just white hover. Let's see it change the bottom hover. See, look, watch my wheels.
Oh, cool.
I wish there was a rainbow.
Do white.
White looks bad. Would you like?
You want to play MX for 6 minutes?
Nah.
House.
Nah.
What?
Oh, they didn't do his eyes that good. Alright, well, we're just gonna.
Oh my gosh, he's actually that strong.
Yeah, he is very strong. Okay. Guys, I'm not even lying. That man only took just like 2 health. Goku is strong as heck. Like, what material? What? He totally. Stick out his toes. You know what, guys? I can't destroy him. He's too powerful. Alright, we'll have the video then. Yeah, we'll do tornado. Next one. I'm thinking about it right now, but yeah. Bye. Subscribe.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Please help me out a lot.